to interpret it at their local dialect and understand what the Weather Bureau is saying. Number two, it's the, I didn't write this. Identify stakeholders, identify roles and responsibilities of stakeholders, map out, allocate resources, find out national and local plans, and facilitate dialogue to achieve this strategy. And for number three, link TRR to sectoral policies and plans, catalyze discussion, identify advantages, contribute to TRR of key sectors. Actually, we have identified actions for items 1 to 4. However, I think due to time constraint. But however, these strategies could be translated into specific actions based on the priorities of each NGO or each institution, or at the country level perspective. That's it. Thank you.